And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Olympic double silver medalist Yohan Blake is calling on Jamaicans to come together for the long haul to help the rebuilding and the recovery efforts following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Denise Walters tells us more.
Yohan Blake, through his Why Be Afraid Foundation, is set to help residents affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa. But in the interim, he shared this message on his Instagram page.
Hey Jamaica, what is our motto? Out of many, one people. A lot of people think that this is all about the hype. It's not about the hype who can give the most. It's about every little thing that you can give, because a lot of us are in the shadows working and giving. It's not about the limelight. It's not about us. It's about who is affected. It's not about who can give this or give the most or I am giving a truckload of this. Every little, our mother said, make a motto. One cocoa, full basket, because this is not just for now. It's a long-term thing that we have to come together and help to build back.
Blake was recently conferred with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander CD for his contribution to athletics and philanthropy. The latter, work done through his foundation, has seen him help with the Mount Olivet Boys Home in Manchester, providing a modern sports complex which includes a sports field and a dormitory.
Looking to do one more one in Montego Bay at the Garland Home, where I'm from, actually Montego Bay, and one also at the Pringles Home in St. Mary for the girls.
He has also partnered with the Food for the Poor.
The Why Be Afraid Foundation has been doing a lot of work through me, the Food for the Poor, and some of the sponsors, been giving houses and also been building dormitory for kids. So, you know, it's not to brag about it, but just some of the little things I've been doing behind the scene. Without the medals or without the accolades, I will always push them, because the youths are the future, and if we can help develop the future of Jamaica and of the world, that's my goal and that's my dream, and that's what I'm going to continue to do, because a lot more in the pipeline to come.
The 35-year-old believes that this is a part of his calling.
I know what it is to feel hunger. I know what it is to feel pain, and if I can do that and help everyone, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I come from a similar background, and the Bible says, you know, it's easy for a camel to go through the eye of an eagle than for a rich man to enter the gate of heaven. So you can't carry everything to the grave, and you know, money is not everything. Once we can use it and help, why not?
And while he's not in training, the second fastest man in the world with times of 9.69 seconds done in the 100 meters and 19.26 seconds in the 200 meters is yet to hang up his spikes. However, for the youngest man to win the 100 meters world title, there is an area of the sport that he won't be engaging in.
Coaching is, I don't think the coaching is for me more like teaching. You know, I'm going to do a lot of teaching in China and also in India, around the world. So that's mostly what I'm going to do. Coaching is tough, grey hair.
But the two-time Olympic silver medalist is lending his expertise in motivational speaking.
Whether in motivation, mental health, which is one of the toughest things right now, mental health, whether track and field, any other thing, I'm versatile.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.